I select that. LDAP group, I say OK. LDAP group at any location in the local network, LDAP group, any destination, and the services is, if you give any service, the policy will not get installed. Say for example, any service I accept and I install the policy. The policy will not get installed if the installation will fail. The reason is that the user groups are only for allowed only on authentication rules, because here you cannot say any or accept. You have to say at least HTTPS, because user authentication is not available for all the services. You can say even authenticated services. What are the authenticated services? Right click and I edit this, the authentication services, these 4 services, in-band services, FTP, HTTP, login and telnet. If you want to remove something, you can remove. Login to want to remove, yes. If you want to add, you can add. Okay, I say okay. So accordingly, FTP and HTTP are allowed, and you should provide user authentication. This is what it is. So the LDAP group for any destination, for FTP and HTTP services, user authentication should be, the credential should be got from the user. Now if you go to the user here and say LDAP account, double click on this and the tree is there, and if you double click on the users, all the users will be mapped here. See, double click on that, you see all the users here, Tom, Jerry, Radhika, Aditya, sales and security groups, and everything is here. So it has been updated in this particular place, and I install the policy once again. Got installed, I say close. But in the user authentication, I right click and edit the properties. I select the all servers as well. I say OK. I install the policy once again. Yes. I minimize this. I go to the remote desktop of 10.10 system, 10.0.0.10. I say connect ASDF. I came here, so right click, properties, right click and properties. This is 10.10 system, 10.10 system. That means the, go to the browser here. This is the 10.10 system. I create the users here, integrated the users into the firewall. Now the user is there in one of the system. He is going to access some resources in 30.10, and the user authentication is provided here. The firewall should come up and ask the credentials and check the credentials with the database. If that is correct, this particular user can go and access the resource in the internet. I say close. So here in the 10.10, I say 30.0.0.10. I want to get the HTTP service on 30.10. I say enter. And who is this? The user. I said Tom is the user. ASDF is the password, and Tom is able to get it. And I close this. What about Jerry? Say 30.0.0.10. Enter. I say I'm Jerry. ASDF is the password, enter. He is also able to. So all the users are able to go there. What about the other group? The other group is 30.10. Same Radhika, ASDF, she is able to access, as well as the other user 30.0.0.